You know what time it is. It's another day to get better. Let's look at this problem. Pause the video and solve. Check it. The term product tells us to multiply. 4 pi and 4 divided by pi are both irrational numbers. Classifying your terms should always be your first step. Operations with 2 irrational numbers is sometimes rational or irrational. Let's multiply. 4 pi times 4 divided by pi results in 16 pi divided by pi. The pi's cancel out, which leaves us with 16. And 16 is a rational number. Now let's look at the answer choices. C and D state that the product is irrational, which is untrue. We'll eliminate these. B is incorrect. The terms are not rational. The correct answer is A. Follow Mathematized Minds for daily algebra help.